Hello, welcome back. We are in the kitchen, on the menu. Air Fryer Friday with Ronnie.
Good morning, everyone. Again and again, what a great, this has just been fantastic.
It's a couple great interviews that kick off the show.
Yes.
Kyle's mom, our big boy engineer.
That was fantastic.
Yes, and now Ronnie.
So this is fantastic. Your kids are home for the summer and they want to cook, make their own meal. We're making air fryer pigs in a blanket. And how do you do that, you ask?
I don't
And we're not
know.
using biscuits because when I first started doing this, every recipe biscuit, yeah. So this we're using puff pastry.
Our favorite thing.
Carol's favorite.
Bake
so
with.
what you need to do is it says to thaw 40 minutes before use. That's when it's best to use. So
not 24 hours before use.
Yes. So what you need is a puff pastry, Dijon mustard, cheese if desired, little Smokies, or you can use hot dogs if you want. And then Carol's gonna make an egg wash. So 1 egg to 1 tablespoon is gonna be the wash. So she's gonna do that. While she's doing that, I'm going to cut the puff pastry. And I might be not so liberal because I might just bake the puff pastry so we have something to snack on. Something for communion.
Would we do something like that? Yes.
Something to commune with.
Yes.
So we're just gonna I'm just gonna eyeball this because you just cut it into strips.
What did we make before when I
You made that
it?
turkey thing? That turkey where you put the turkey and then you slathered something on and you put turkey pieces and then, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
Kind of, sort of.
Yes, it was
wasn't
really
too
good.
long
It turned
ago,
out really
actually.
well.
Did it? I don't remember
Oh,
that. I
trust
just
me.
remembered this puff pastry being like silly putty.
And it was like, why do we use puff pastry? I mean, why don't we use this more often? Well, we might just find out again.
Well, it's hard to find in the grocery store, and it's always in the frozen food section, but I had to have 2 people come and help me.
Did you?
And they did, yes.
Yeah. So I'm going to, so the little Smokies have come a long way in the last, since I was born, a long, long time ago. They don't come in very big packages. So I think
anymore. And you're paying more.
So I preheated the air fryer. So I'm just gonna have you.
Do we just roll these up?
Just roll them up. Yep.
Just roll in this?
I think let's do this. You're supposed to cut them into all these pieces, but the Smokies are smaller, and make sure you get them tight.
Okay.
Get them really tight. There you go. Now make sure
what?
you pinch that so it doesn't pop open, because this puff pastry will what?
Pop.
Puff.
So
then
we're. When do I do the egg
Well,
wash?
I forgot my brush at home. See,
well, I can still do it.
Just go ahead and do that. I'm gonna spray the air fryer just a little bit. Now you don't want these close. You want to make sure you have about 8 to 12 separated on your deal. I look for a brush, so a spoon might work
I know what
best.
I need. Don't.
But if you want to change things, I forgot. You're supposed to put a little Dijon mustard
I was saying,
inside.
when do we use the
Well,
Dijon?
you can use them as a dipping sauce, or you can add cheese. You can put anything in here.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I'll just dip this one in there. This one is without cheese.
I should have brought, but I ran out. No offense. I ran out of Buzz Savory's mustard. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, there we go. And so
then
the
we
cheese
cook this.
goes in this.
You can roll cheese in, but see, the Smokies have gotten, like I said, a lot smaller.
Yes. Ooh. Let's just take some of that.
That's fine. Oh, put it on another one.
Yeah, there we go.
Put it on another one. Okay.
And then some cheese.
And that's all you have to do. Then you put it in the air fryer. You got to watch it. You cook it about 4 minutes, and then you kind of roll it and cook it for another 3 or 4 minutes. You just kind of got to watch it because the puff pastry will expand, and that's kind of how that goes. So
that one.
You might want. Should we add some cheese to make it a little longer, make it really puffy?
Yeah, like add cheese in here?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, why not? It's our recipe, right?
No, it's
so
yours,
we'll take
Carol.
a little cheese.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
And then we just put a little dab of cheese.
Yeah.
Or we could just go like that and then squirt mustard.
Well, look at that.
Here.
Okay, you got it? Maybe we'll just do it this way. Let's make the puff pastry big and not make the little Smoky the star of the show. So
there we go. Yeah.
Simple, easy recipe.
We should show everyone this at the end of the show.
We'll show them at the end of the show. I'm going to cook it at about 360, 370.
Okay.
And then I'm going to turn them and cook them until they're the nice golden brownie.
Daisy.
Yeah.
Well, look at us being chef-like.
Yeah. Simple, and if you something that you can do with your kids, and who doesn't like a little Smoky, and who doesn't like a little snack? So we're going to share this recipe on our website, Nebraska.tv. We're going to share with you the result at the end of the show, so stay tuned, friends. We have a lot more VEN TV's Good Life rolling your way.
Looky what Ronnie made.
Boom.
What are we calling these again?
They're air fryer pigs in a blanket, using the puff pastries instead of the biscuit. So Carol,
Ronnie,
okay, you
dunk it in a little bit
and
of
we
mustard.
just ketchup, mustard, whatever you want. Boom, boom, there it is.
Okay, that could be my dinner in a nutshell. Those are really good. Puff pastries make it. That is really good.
That Dijon mustard is really good.
really
I use
good.
it on my shake and bake. This is
That is
super
really
easy,
good.
super easy recipe. You can find the puff pastries in the frozen food section at your local grocery store. So
And you could put mozzarella, or what did we use? We used cheddar
to
cheese.
cheddar cheese, you can use whatever you want. Just dip it in whatever makes you happy. What makes me happy is it's Friday. Go to our Facebook page. What's your one thing that when you pack, what's one essential you need when you're going to pack for vacation? Go to our Facebook page and let us know. So, Carol, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, they're really good.
Yep.
Have a good weekend, everybody. See you soon.